Thursday, July the 2nd, 2020. This is Summer Session Composition 11. Today we're going to discuss general information about the course, the two platforms we're going to use, Microsoft Teams and Moodle. Also, we'll be discussing two particular points, plagiarism and modern languages association style. And we're going to be discussing the two assignments, Assignment 1.1, the infographic response, and Assignment 1.2, which is called Giving Credit. Lastly, we'll be just providing information for you that you just know that you need to contact your teachers using Teams chat. So one of the two platforms we're using is Microsoft Teams. Just some information, Composition 11 will use Microsoft Teams and Moodle. We're going to make sure that you turn on your Teams notification, and you will receive notification of Teams virtual meetings. We will have scheduled meetings in your Teams calendar. They will show up, and they will be Tuesday mornings at 9 a.m. So make sure you join the meeting and mute your mic and turn off your camera. And if we end up asking you to unmute your mic, then you can follow through with that. And so we'll use Teams chat to communicate, and then Teams virtual meetings for the virtual classes. Moodle is the second platform we're going to use, so some information on Moodle. Our virtual meetings and chats will be in Teams, and our class resources, assignments, and submissions will be in Moodle. So today we're going to learn to navigate through Moodle. So in composition on your Moodle account there, you want to click Summer ELA Comp 11 2020, then you click Communications Perspectives, and then you click 1.1 infographic response. You're going to scroll down on that page and you'll see where it says add submission. So that's kind of the bigger picture of what one assignment will look like. Just to review the English Language Arts introduction, I'm going to encourage you to go to what is Comp Summer 2020, which will tend to be our kind of home page. Then click General, and then English Language Arts 11 Introduction, the big ideas. And that'll be on the left-hand margin, and I've kind of got a screenshot of that for you to take a look at. Plagiarism is another point within that same area of table of contents, so it's the same navigation to get there, and that's something really key for us to look at to just make sure that you understand that we expect that you understand what that is and that you need to account for any sources that you use and give them credit. So whether that's in-text citations and works cited. So before you begin Assignment 1.1, click and read the link Expository Essays in the left margin of the table of contents, 2 links above Assignment 1.1. So Summer ELA Comp 11 2020 will be our home page, and so Assignment 1.1 is the infographic response. So you're going to click Summer ELA Comp 11 2020, that's our home page, always come back to that. Then click Communications Perspectives, then click the Communications Green folder. Move to the left margin and click Assignment 1.1 infographic response. Then click this infographic for the actual infographic and click Infographic Worksheet for the worksheet. Submit this assignment Thursday, July 2, 2020. Assignment 1.1, the infographic response. You can see I've got a screenshot of the assignment, and so I'm going to just walk through it with you. So you're going to provide the name of the infographic. You're going to identify the main idea in point form. And your point form still needs to be complete ideas. This is grade 11, so you need to recognize that. Provide the supporting points in point form, and a supporting point helps to explain the main topic, all right? And then you're writing a personal response. So what's your interpretation of this information? In grade 11 is all about the idea of interpretation. You have to go beyond the basic information, and you have to have your own ideas, how you understand it, your interpretation, your inference that you can perhaps make a connection in terms of the information. So you're going to complete 1.1, and that's due Thursday, July the 2nd, 2020. So before you begin Assignment 1.2, you want to click and read the link citations in the left margin of the table of contents. So Assignment 1.2 is giving credit. You're going to read the article. The article is in expository style, which is to expose without bias. You're going to identify one of the perspectives. You're going to explain the main idea in a well-written paragraph. Again, this is grade 11, so you need to make sure that you have complete development of your ideas. You're going to use a quote to support your answer, at least one quote which is actually drawn directly from the text, and some of them can be paraphrased. But you need to use MLA style for the in-text citation, so the author's name and the page. That's within the actual paragraph, and then a works cited is below. So those are the pieces of information that you should include in terms of a works cited. So MLA style is Modern Language Association, and there's information for you provided in Moodle, the setup within the Moodle course there. So I've got information about MLA style for quotes, and I've already mentioned that, the author and the page, and then MLA style for works cited, and I've already mentioned that again, but I just want to make sure that we understand it. So you will complete assignment 1.2, which is due Friday, July the 3rd, 2020. So please let your teacher know if you have any questions. This week you have 2 assignments due, Thursday assignment 1.1 and Friday assignment 1.2. Make sure that your assignments are properly submitted and contact your teacher, Mr. Linka or Ms. Bryant-Taneda, through Teams chat if you have any questions.